I go back to like because you guys are performers, are artists, like never feel bad for spending a little extra on a workshop. Diba? Never feel bad spending extra for, anything that can further your craft or your career. I mean, baka saka na muna yung tumbler dahil 10 na yung tumbler mo, di ba? So,
May mga
ba,
tinamaan.
at baka 25 na ang tote bags mo. But like, pwede mo sabihin, hindi investment man yung bag kasi pwede ko yung i-resell. Yes, but also, there are more cost-effective ways to invest in yourself.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, ako nga recently, I've been taking dance classes. Tapos, syempre medyo expensive din siya. Tapos napapaisip din ako na, like, kailangan ko pa ba talaga to? Pero, over time, ma-realize mo din na it's an investment in yourself and in your quality of life din. Kasi mas pinapakulay mo yung buhay mo.
Correct.
Nagdadagdag ka ng mga experience
Correct.
at ng skills.
Correct. And when when you take a workshop, you take a dance class, hindi naman ang hahanapin mong return on investment doon is makapag-dance ka for a living, di ba? Sometimes things like that are a spiritual, meditative experience and they
Yes.
ground you and they help you take on the day with a clearer thought process. So it can be something like that.
Creative outlet.
Exactly.